Left-right order. Lay the arm flatwise. Apply and rub oil in from lower arm to the entire arm, and slide to the fingers 3 times. Push the entire arm with both palms 3 times. Push hands upwards, tracing 3 make lateral channels: large intestine meridian, triple energizer meridian, small intestine meridian to armpits with fingers spread and buccal pointing upwards 3 times. Caress the treatment area 3 times. Trace and rub 3 make lateral channels on arms with kneeling fingers back and forth till them turn hot 3 times. Caress the treatment area 3 times. Lay inner arm upwards and push hands tracing 3 in channel on inner arm, long meridian, pericardium meridian, heart meridian to armpit, with buccal pointing upwards 3 times respectively. Rub 3 channels back and forth with kneeling fingers 3 times. Caress the treatment area and slide to fingers. Repeat the previous operation on other side. Apply gel evenly on the arm 1 minute. 40,000 dissolve fat operation. 40,000 ultrasound dissolves fat at a rate of 40,000 times per second, and then removes the fat through body metabolism. Adjust energy parameters. Adjust energy to 4, mode to B, the intermittent mode. Lay arms flatwise and start from a fat part of lower arm, tracing 3 channels to armpit 3 times. Move the device in annular motion, tracing 3 channels to armpit 3 times. You may double the operation on flabby arms 3 times. Trace 3 channels to armpit 3 times. Lay inner arm flatwise and push 3 channels on upper arm to armpit 3 times. Move in small circular motion on the fat part of the upper arm to dissolve fat 3 times. Trace 3 channels on upper arm to armpit 3 times. Wipe the excess gel on the arm with hot towel. Apply RF cream evenly on the arm. RF shaping. RF stimulates collagen regeneration, improves shaping, and prevents sagging and relaxation after metabolizing fat. Adjust energy parameters. Adjust energy to 4, mode to B, Smart mode. Trace 3 channels on lower arm to armpit 3 times. Trace 3 channels on upper arm to armpit 3 times. Combine with the hand, trace 3 channels on lower arm to armpit 3 times. Lay inner arm flatwise and push 3 channels on upper arm to armpit 3 times. Move the device in annular motion. Trace 3 channels to armpit 3 times. Trace 3 channels on upper arm to armpit 3 times. Do the same on the other side. Fix the straps on both arms first. Strengthening fat dissolve with laser pads. Dissolve excess fat on the arms. Improve jiggly and flabby arms. Fix the laser pads on the fat part. Adjust energy parameters. Adjust energy to 9, time to 30 minutes, mode to C, the fast intermittent mode. Click to start operation. Wait for 20 minutes. Remove laser pads and straps. Wipe the arms with hot towel.